Today in history. 28th November 1975. Somber and overcast. Dili, East Timor. Dear Diary, today was a very big day for East Timor. Everyone was talking about our independence from Portugal, and it felt special. I heard grown-ups say that we are now free, and it made me feel happy and proud. This day will be known as the day we declared our independence. East Timor has been a Portuguese colony for a long time, like when you have to ask permission to play outside. The people here wanted to be in charge of their own lives. Many people worked hard to make this happen, and I learned that Fredolin was one of the groups that wanted freedom. They fought for our right to decide how we live. Before today, things were changing in Portugal because of the Carnation Revolution. I heard my parents talking about it and how it made the leaders there change their ways. This gave us a chance to ask for independence. Everyone was hoping for the best and wanted to celebrate our own country, just like how we celebrate birthdays. When the leaders of Fredolin made the big announcement, it was exciting. People cheered and hugged each other. I saw flags waving in the air, and it was like a big party. Everyone was talking about how we could finally make our own laws and be free from all those rules from Portugal. But then, something scary happened. I overheard my uncle say that Indonesia was coming to take over. I didn't really understand what that meant, but I knew it didn't sound good. People seemed worried and said we could end up fighting. It made me anxious because fighting isn't like playing tag. It's serious and dangerous. The atmosphere today was mixed, with smiles and hugs, but also whispers of worry. My friend Maria said she didn't want our beautiful place to be ruined by fighting. I remember seeing her mom crying, but I held her hand and told her we would be brave. It felt like we were on the edge of something big.